you're looking for a different kind of burger this summer, try this one. My name is Bridgetta, and today I'm making a chicken, zucchini, and corn burger. I've cut almost all the ingredients. Left, I have to do the red bell peppers and the zucchini. That makes it so much easier. It's noisy, but it does the job. It's a lot faster than me. Let me cut this a little smaller. So our last thing to do is chop up the zucchini. Then I'm going to put everything together in a bowl, mix it up, and assemble the burgers and cook them. Okay. So I'm going to put these in a bowl with a paper towel so that it can drain some of the moisture, because I don't want them too wet. Okay.
We're still recording.
Now we're ready to assemble all the ingredients. So here's our shredded zucchini. I'm going to add that. It's hard to believe all that came from a medium-sized zucchini. Get the last of it there. This is half of a red bell pepper. And I did the same thing. I put it on a paper towel for any excess moisture. I've got cilantro. And tell me that doesn't look good. It certainly smells fabulous. I've got green onions. Breadcrumbs. I'm using panko seasoned breadcrumbs. Corn. I'm using frozen. I've let them sit out and defrost, but you can certainly use fresh. I've got 1 egg. Salt. Cumin. Now the recipe does call for coriander. I didn't have any, but I made it the other day. Didn't have coriander then either, and it was still good. Pepper and garlic, minced garlic. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. I mean, doesn't that look like summer? Okay, now we're going to shape these into balls and then from there into patties, because it makes a lot. So you have to decide how big you think you're going to want your patty to be. So starting out like that. If they're not the same size, then I'm going to have to go back and adjust. And if I do it now as a ball, start with that, it's much easier. Like I can see that one's smaller. And maybe you want yours smaller, because you could serve these on a bun or without. Now, if you have a patty former, you know, like when you usually make burgers with red meat, that would be great. I looked for one of those in the grocery store. There wasn't any, because I thought that would be helpful. But not everybody's got one of those.
That's why God gave you hands.
Yeah. And hopefully I'm making good use of them.
You're very handy.
Oh, thank you. Okay, how's that look? Good enough to cook, right?
Yeah, those are perfect.
Okay. All right, so now we're going over to the stove. The stove up first. So we're going to cook on medium heat. The oven is preheated to 425. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to put them in the oven to 7 to 10 minutes. These are pretty big. I'm going 10. And then I'm going to check their temperature. And now we wait before we taste them. You can see the juices there. We're back. Now we're ready to try the chicken zucchini corn burger, because we love good food.
That's
and
quite
you
a
should
mouthful
too.
of a name. Say that again.
Chicken zucchini corn burger.
You should have heard her practicing it. It was pretty funny.
Well, you know, what can I
Gotta get
say?
it right.
Yes. It would be really bad if I
These
did.
are good. We had them the other day. I was kind of surprised.
Yeah.
You know, had a lot of vegetables in it, so I wasn't so sure. But not that I'm scared of vegetables, but it was really flavorful.
And our son and his fiance tried it, and he suggested putting it on a bun, which we didn't even think about.
So I toasted one up. Mm-hmm. I'm going to take mine and place it on it. The other night I just had it with Greek yogurt.
Yes, Greek yogurt or sour cream, either one. I had a little bit of salt, a little bit of green onion, and cilantro. Now, of course, if you don't like cilantro, just swap it out for parsley.
Can I have a little...
Do you want a spoon?
Probably.
Okay.
I don't want to be an animal.
Okay. That's a good idea. I'm starting without you.
It's okay.
Now, of course, the recipe is going to be in the description box, like always. And you can change it, make it your own.
Here we go. I'm going in.
Okay.
Flavorful. Yum.
Very good. I like the crunch of the vegetables.
Delicious. It's got a look and almost a texture when you bite into it of a crab cake.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
Yum.
I didn't think about that. That's very good. You should try it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. And
To our friends in Maryland and family up there, put down the crab cake and make these.
good idea. We'll see you again soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Mary, do you want to try this?
No, that's you're good.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.